Manganese, used in pigments since the Stone Age, is named after the Grecian region it was mined in after stone transmuted to bronze. Since then, this critical mineral has been the backbone of steel production, helping the world modernize into the shining metal metropolises we live in today. Mined mostly in China, South Africa, and Australia, demand for the brittle silvery-gray transition metal is tied closely to the outlook of steel, as at least 90% of manganese produced is used in steel production. However, now that we are in the middle of a green energy revolution, manganese is gaining an independent importance from steel in solar energy storage, EV batteries, and cutting-edge power grid storage systems. COVID-19 may have slowed the world economy and impacted steel production as a result, but until it put the fear of God into every country but the US, infrastructure was expanding wildly in both China and India as each country was undergoing a culture-changing shift to urbanization. As such, junior miners like Manganese X Energy, MN.V, have been working to secure significant deposits in friendly and stable mining jurisdictions not affected by the current tensions in geopolitical relations. Manganese X's flagship Battery Hill property, located in the Canadian province of New Brunswick, is strategically situated 12 kilometers from the U.S. border and includes historical Moody Hill, Sharp Farm, Iron Ore Hill, and Maple Hill manganese iron zones. Battery Hill enjoys good access for transport to major shipping lanes on the Atlantic Ocean and St. Lawrence Seaway. The project also has close proximity to electrical and water sources. The company recently completed an update to its National Instrument 43-101 technical report for Battery Hill with a diamond drill program, which intercepted significant grades and widths of manganese mineralization, including 10.75% manganese over 52.6 meters, 12.96% manganese over 32.85 meters, and 9.39% manganese over 74 meters. These promising results have the junior explorer chomping at the bit for another drill program this fall, along with the ongoing Phase 2 metallurgical bulk testing. They intend to finance these initiatives with a recently announced $1 million non-brokered private placement. Once the recommended programs have been completed, Manganese X will move ahead with a preliminary economic assessment in the hopes of building and powering the world's next great era of hope.